Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. And today what we're going to be doing is showing you how to draw the female face shape. So I've went ahead and downloaded 3 different images here. We're going to probably get to about 2 of them in this tutorial, and then we'll just put some more up later as we go along. Okay, so when you're drawing the female face shape, here's a couple of rules of thumb. Number 1, don't give them big chins. Never do that. Number 2, don't use hard lines or turns in the face. Okay? In other words, no making really sharp turns when you're making your face shape, okay? Because that makes them look kind of masculine. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and practice this first face shape. As you can see here, she has a very rounded chin. Okay, so we're going to go ahead here and we'll start with the bottom half of her face. And you can see how all of my lines are very fluid, very smooth turns, okay? And then with the women face shape, you also want to put little thin necks. You want to watch the size of your neck. It should lead into your shoulders, and everything should be soft, just like so, okay? Now, the next thing that we'll do here is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our top shape, okay? So what we'll do here, since we already know where our shapes are going to go here, okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll just start doing our hair shape. So we'll just do something like this, and we're just kind of mimicking what we see here. Okay, you see how I'm making the face just kind of lay over into our basic shape here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead with our major shape. Our major shape is the shape you'll see in the front of her hair. So you can see how her hair kind of wraps around, and then it goes to the crown, and it comes off the crown, right? And then it comes down, and it almost just comes right to the bottom of her face in a nice point, just like so. Okay, and then we can add like a little bit of one like this, just make it for the cartoon effect. Okay, and then on the other side we'll do the same thing. We'll bring our shape down, we'll do like so, and then we'll bring it into the head. Everything nice and soft. And then we'll go ahead and we'll add a little bit behind there for our ear shape. And then we can add our earrings or whatever have you. You can even add one over here if you like. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put our center line where we want our nose to be at, basically. And then we're going to put where we want our eyes to go, basically. And then we want to say, okay, her nose is about this far from the eyes, type of thing. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put where her mouth shape would be in relation to that. Okay, so pretty much we already have most of our cartoon drawn, and from here you should be able to see where all your features fit in. Now, because this video is not about the features, it's just about the head shapes, that's what we're going to concentrate on here. Okay, so that's one shape for you to practice on. Now let's go ahead and go to shape number 2. So I'm going to get another sheet of paper here. I'm just going to kind of stick it up underneath the one we have here. Okay, we're going to take that out, put this to the side, and put this down, and we're going to go to face shape number 2. Okay, so for face shape number 2, I like if the female has very long hair. If you feel more comfortable, this is another way that you can do it. You can come from your top shape here. So let's just say you want to draw the major shape of your head. Okay, so you'll come from the top, okay, and then you'll come down like so, and we'll just basically drawing the bangs of the hair here. Okay, see how that works out? Just like so. Then off of that shape, then we'll go ahead and we'll add our not major shapes, which is the side shape here. And now we can see where we want to make our how far down we want to make our face shape. You know what I mean? So we'll come like this. We'll do our cheekbones here. Remember, you want to use nice, soft, basic shapes. You don't want to go real hard, and remember not to give them a big chin. No big chins here, okay? Now we'll go ahead and we'll add the bottom of the ear here. That's normally what I do, like as a little landmark, okay? And now I know where I'm going to put my neck here, so I'll just go with the nice neck. Remember how to kind of taper it off. Once again, everything should lead kind of gently into the shoulder area here. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll just draw our hair shape just like so. Okay, and then we'll draw our hair shape on this side. Okay, now we'll put our line for our eye shape here, and then we'll put our center line here, because you can see her hair kind of comes from here and goes all the way down. Okay, and then it goes here with the nose. We can see how we put a little line because we want her nose to be little, and then we put a little mouth line because we want her mouth to be small as well. So we can see pretty much that we have our caricature already licked just from mastering how to put that basic head shape down. Okay, so now we have one more shape we're going to practice today, and then we'll be doing some more videos on this where we'll put different hair shapes and ones for you to practice. The key to this is just training your mind to see basic shapes and basic ideas. It's really pretty simple. Okay, so this is our last shape that we're going to use. Once again, you can see here how her head shape is. We can go with either the top down method or the bottom up method. This whichever way works the best for you. I usually go with whichever one's the most exposed. You get it? So right here I have a lot of exposure in the face, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll start with my bottom shape here. Once again, you want to keep your shapes nice and fluid and soft, no hard turns in your shape. Okay, alright, so I'll just make sure that's nice and even. This is for, once again, the forward facing caricature, but it actually works for any one of your shapes. And then what we'll do here is we'll come across, we'll go ahead and we'll bring her bangs over, right, over to the side of the face like so. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just bring this shape around. Once again, nice soft shape. And then we'll go ahead, we'll add our secondary shape here. See? One shape there, and we'll go ahead and put our ear shape just like so. And the inner workings of the ear, remember that to keep those small and nice and fluid. Okay, now we know where our neck shape goes, so it's going to kind of, it's not a straight up and down shape. Notice how the neck kind of comes and then it bends outward at the base. Okay, and then you'll be able to put your shoulders just like so. Okay, now we're going to go ahead here. We're going to put our next, finish off our alpha shape here. So we'll come here. Okay, and then notice how it kind of does like this, and it gets lost in the other hair there. And then we'll come here and we'll do the same thing. See how we do that? And then we'll just add some more little hairs back here. All right. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Remember, try to see everything as one big idea, one big basic shape. Okay, so we have our head shape down pretty much. We'll go ahead and just add a little bit of a break in there. And now we'll add where we want our eye shape to go. So we'll go here with the eye shape. Okay, and then we'll go here with our middle shape. If she has a small nose that's close to her eyes, then we'll put a small line that's close to that eye shape. She has how big do we want her mouth in relation to the nose? We can do that all with a number 2 pencil. I'm just doing it with a marker to keep it simple, but I'll just go ahead and I'll add a little smile there. Okay, and you can see just from where we're at that, look at this, we got a really good shape. And if we need to bring this down some more, you could always do that just like so. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Those are 3 basic head shapes that you can practice for your caricature. I hope that you enjoyed this video and tutorial. We'll be posting more soon. If you have any questions or comments about drawing head shapes or any aspect of drawing, just send us a message here in the comment section, or you can message me on Messenger from our Facebook site, or you can Instagram has one as well. Any one of those, and we'll be able to make a video for you and see if we can get that dilemma solved for you. So guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll be seeing you again next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.